How to add new contacts on WhatsApp web. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily add contacts on your WhatsApp web. This is applicable for both your computer or if you are using WhatsApp web on your phone, you can do that as well. The first thing that you need to do is know that there is no direct option to add contacts on the WhatsApp web. So if you can see here, I can only create a new chat and click on this three dots. There is no option to add contacts. But what you can do is download an extension for your browser. For that, just go ahead and click on the three dots, click on extensions and visit Chrome Web Store from here, and here you are going to search for InTouch app. So once you search for it, you just click on this one right here, InTouch app phone contacts and data saver. Add this to your Chrome, and if you are on your phone, you can download this from your Google Play Store, or you can also add an extension on your device. And once your extension has been added, what you need to do is go ahead and click on the WhatsApp app and refresh this. Now the extension should be applied to your WhatsApp web. So as you can see here, the WhatsApp web is enhanced by the InTouch app. So what you can do now is just go ahead and click on zero contacts saved so far. So what you need to do now is click on get started, and once you do that, you will find this plus button right here and click on add new contact. So from here, you will have to click on this extension icon and log in. So go ahead and click on this extension and make sure to log in to your account. And once you do that, you should be able to add contacts on your WhatsApp web. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, I'll see you on the next one.